Set drive to PU mode by pressing the PU/EXT button until the PU indicator is lit on the front panel. Press the mode button to eliminate the PRM indicator. Use the wheel to scroll through the parameter numbers. Parameter 1, press set. Set maximum frequency to 50 Hz. Press set. Parameter 2, press set. Set minimum frequency to 15 Hz. Press set. Parameter 7, press set. Set acceleration time 3 seconds. Press set. Parameter 8, press set. Set deceleration time 3 seconds. Press set. Parameter 79, press set. Set input control to external input control. Press set. The inverter will now run either the start forward button or the start reverse button, and held it will set the 15 Hz minimum frequency with the speed being controlled via the speed up, speed down push button. We select which direction we want it to go. Select the speed. Ramp up the speed. Once we take our finger off it, to stop at that speed. Then we can slow it down again. Once we take our finger off the directional button, it stops. The opposite direction. Speed up. Speed down. And stop.